A poll conducted for the Hawaii Department of Health has found 91% of respondents plan to get vaccinated for the coronavirus. The results are welcome news to Hawaii health officials who said the poll shows that island residents are becoming much more receptive to getting their shots. A similar poll conducted before the vaccine arrived in Hawaii showed only 50% of island residents plan to get vaccinated. State Health Director Libby Char said the latest poll shows that residents are getting more comfortable with the COVID vaccines as they see more of their relatives and friends get vaccinated. By comparison, the Associated Press reported today that a new national poll found just 67% of respondents either received or planned to get vaccinated. The Hawaii poll was conducted by Anthology Research with 445 full-time residents responding. You can read the full survey at Star-Advertiser.com. Hawaii Lieutenant Governor Josh Green is urging the state to begin vaccinating kupunas 65 years and older starting March 1st. Green said he is recommending that Governor David Ige make the policy change to speed up vaccinations for the lower priority group. Hawaii is currently immunizing healthcare workers and long-term care residents, as well as adults 75 years and older and frontline essential workers. State health officials say opening up the shots for the 65 to 74 age group would strain Hawaii's vaccination efforts due to vaccine shortages. There are more than 114,000 people in that age group, and as of Sunday, the state has only vaccinated 47% of the population aged 75 and older. Hawaii health officials reported 5 new coronavirus-related deaths and 56 new infections today. 3 of the deaths were on Maui and 2 were on Oahu. The latest figures bring the state's total since the start of the pandemic to 423 deaths and nearly 26,600 infections. Today's new statewide infection cases include 42 on Oahu, 9 on Maui, 2 on the Big Island, and 3 residents diagnosed outside of Hawaii. Health officials reported 14 new hospitalizations today, all of them on Oahu. The number of active infections in the islands continues to fall and is now below 1,100 cases. The Biden administration has asked U.S. Attorney for Hawaii, Kenji Price, to resign from his position. U.S. attorneys are routinely asked to leave office when a new presidential administration takes office. According to published reports, all but 2 current U.S. attorneys have been asked by the Biden administration to submit their resignations. Price has served as U.S. Attorney for the District of Hawaii since 2018. A spokeswoman for the Hawaii Attorney General's office said Price will remain in his position until February 28th. Price grew up in Hawaii and graduated from Gonzaga University in Washington. He earned a law degree from the University of Pennsylvania, and he served in the Army with the 75th Ranger Regiment and the 173rd Airborne Brigade. Hawaii State Senator Stanley Chang wants to honor Hawaii-born Barack Obama by placing historical markers at Oahu sites that played a significant role in the former president's life. Chang has introduced a bill in the Senate that would have the state place 9 markers around Oahu, including at Kapi'olani Medical Center where Obama was born and the Baskin-Robbins on King Street where he worked as a teenager. Chang says more than a dozen states have named schools after Obama, while others have named highways or roads after him, but Hawaii has not named anything after the only Hawaii-born president. Other places that would get historical markers under Chang's plan include Sandy Beach, Punahou School, and the Punahou Circle Apartments where he lived with his grandparents. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at Star-Advertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.